Reggae Girls captain TVJ is expected to leave Manchester City when her contract expires at the end of the season. After months of cordial talks over a potential new contract, it's understood Shaw wants to explore other options despite winning the Women's Super League title with City on Wednesday evening. The 29-year-old striker has scored a remarkable 110 goals in 133 appearances for City since joining them from Bordeaux in 2021, and there is believed to be interest in Shaw from Chelsea, among other clubs, including some from the United States. Shaw is set to win the WSL Golden Boot for a third consecutive season, having netted 19 goals in 21 games. In March, she set a new record by scoring the fastest hat-trick in the competition's history, timed at 12 minutes and 37 seconds from her first goal to her third. She won the Women's League Cup with Man City in 2021 and was named WSL Player of the Season for the 2023-2024 season when she scored 21 goals in 18 matches. She can complete a domestic double this season, with City set to face Chelsea on Sunday in the Women's FA Cup semi-finals.